Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to increase indent in Microsoft Word document. So let's start it. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, I will show that in this video step by step on how to increase indent in Microsoft Word. Indentation is essential for improving reading and formatting in document, whether for academic, professional or professional use. Follow along. See arrows is the now select from the mouse cursor. Now going to the menu option. Now click with the increase option. Then for click. That is. Then again another process. Another text. Now click for click. Then click with the increase option. That is. Then I show the increase indentation in Microsoft Word document is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.